Hi, it's Mr. Gallant here, and I'm going to show you how to record music using Audacity. And you're going to export this music and you'll be able to put it into things like a PowerPoint sprite animation or a pivot animation and or any other program you're working on. Okay, so first you'll see your Audacity icon here on your desktop. I have one open, and you can see the controls up here. You have pause and play and stop. It's kind of based on, you know, older cassette players or CD or DVD players that you might have. So you can see your controls. You're going to use mostly this one right here, record. Alright, now before we get started with recording music, then we have to set up the music or get the music ready. So I have a song here on YouTube ready to go, and so, you know, queue up or get your music ready. For this song I'm going to use it right from the beginning. You may want to, you know, start your music wherever in a certain spot that you're interested in. Sometimes you'll want music if you're doing animations that don't have lyrics. Some people find that the lyrics can distract from the animation's creativity or topic, but that's up to you. So I have my music ready here, and what I'm going to do is I go back to Audacity. Basically, Audacity will record anything that's being played on the computer. So let's try this. I'm going to hit record, and then I'm going to go back and play the song on YouTube. There we go. As you can see, it's recording. Something happening there. Now if you see your timeline, we're up at 15 seconds minus the beginning. So some of the animations that I've assigned are around 30 seconds to a minute, so you make sure your music covers the basic animations. Okay, so let's say it was 30 seconds here. I'm going to hit stop. Then go back and let's pause this music. Okay, and now you'll see the recording that you've made. We're going to go back to the beginning, so you can either use this scroll bar or you can use this to go back to home or skip to start. Now you're going to see that there's some dead space when I first hit record, and there was nothing playing yet until I went over and clicked YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight close to that beginning. I'm going to highlight the first part and I'm going to cut it. There's a little scissors right there, but you could also use your delete button, etc. There's other ways to cut it. So now if I play this, it should be pretty seamless from the beginning. There you go. So that's nice and tight from there. So now if I'm happy with the music, I'm going to go here and hit File, and I'm going to hit Export Audio. And this is going to turn this into either a WAV or an MP3. Now the computer I'm working on goes to default WAV, but yours will go to MP3. So let's make sure it's on MP3. Then I don't want to save it in here. I want to save it to a spot for you, for example, either your local disk, or if you have a thumb drive, that's even better. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the Gallant folder here. We're going to call it the name of the song. It's called The Velt. Now you can see I've done this before here. I have other clips, so I'll call this Velt 5. So I'm going to save it, and it's going to take a second. It's going to ask me if I want to put the artist name and track title. I don't really need this stuff, so I'm just going to hit OK. And here we go. It's going to put it all together. And that's pretty much it. And the next video, look out for, I'm going to show you how to actually insert the music into a PowerPoint presentation. Alright, see you later.